Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Overwatch 2 not launching. If you want to fix it, first click here and then go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and then go back, and before that you will need to make sure to install all the updates that you can find. Now go to Game Mode, Settings, turn on this one, go to Xbox Game Bar, turn it off. After that, go to GeForce Experience, check for updates, make sure to install the latest one, restart your PC, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.